right, we're back with one more segment with the Insurance Commissioner, Mike Causey. He's taking your questions. A quick follow-up question to what you just answered. This is about replacement value. They're asking if replacement value on cars also covers collectors or antique cars.
You have to own collector cars. You have to talk to your agent and have a special rider for antique automobiles, just like you do for art collections or jewelry or anything special, because your policy only covers up to a certain amount, and you have to have a special rider and pay that additional premium to have that covered.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so homeowners insurance really got started because there was insurance for fires in homes. And so, Commissioner Causey, something near and dear to your heart is all of the smoke alarms and smoke detectors and making sure folks are keeping themselves protected.
Right. The reason this is so important is we just had 2 more fire deaths. We've had 65 people die this year in 2022 in house fires. We had a fire death in Burlington last week, one in Cary. I know tomorrow the Burlington Fire Department's going door to door with a smoke alarm canvas. We just finished smoke alarms Saturday where the Greensboro Fire Department and fire departments all over North Carolina went door to door in specific neighborhoods to check smoke alarms. And the Winston-Salem Fire Department checked 60 some homes, and over 90% of them didn't have a smoke alarm that worked. And that is a real problem when you have the high number of people dying in house fires. We had 134 people die last year. So that's why we're paying so much attention to getting this word out to the public, is check your smoke alarms. You can get smoke alarms today that have a 10-year battery, so you don't have to worry about checking the battery. If you have the old smoke alarms, you need to check that battery every month, replace it every year or twice a year. If you don't have a new smoke alarm, can't afford it, call your local fire department. They're glad to help. Call us at the Department of Insurance, and our Office of State Fire Marshal will be glad to help you.
Yeah, and I don't miss that last point. If you don't have it, there is a way for you to get a free smoke alarm and smoke alarms for your home. All right, let's go to a few more text questions. This person says, when is an umbrella policy needed for automobile insurance?
Well, the main thing I would say on automobile insurance is make sure you do not have minimum limits. Buy as high a limit as you can afford. I know my insurance agent talked to me and said, there's $1 million limit. You may not be able to afford the $1 million limit, but you need to get as close to it as you can. And I've known people to go above that $1 million limit and get 2 or 3 million coverage with that umbrella policy. So talk to your insurance agent, let the agent advise on what would be necessary as to that umbrella coverage or the maximum level, because you get out in an accident today, you've got cars that are well over $100,000. You get $200,000 or $300,000 vehicles and you've got a $500,000 claim or better.
All right, this person's asking, what can a home insurance policy cover when you're buying a double wide mobile home?
Well, mobile home policies are a different classification than the stick-built homes, and mobile home policies actually include the flood insurance in the policy in North Carolina. So talk to your insurance agent about the level of coverage and make sure that you have the proper amount for that double wide or whatever type of manufactured housing that you are purchasing.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Last question. How many smoke alarms should a house have? Very quickly, you need to have a smoke alarm inside every bedroom, outside every bedroom, and on every level of the house. And of course, when you call your local fire department, they'll be able to tell you exactly how many you need for your house. Thank you so much, Commissioner Causey. We appreciate it. If you missed any of this information, just head over to the Two Wants to Know section.